So, hello guys, welcome again in my new vlog. And in this vlog, I'm going to talk about some of the issues which I'm facing in my RS200 right now. So, the first issue is this ABS light indicator. So, it should be get off after the speed of 10, but it is not getting off. Like you all can see right now, I'm at the speed of 44, 45, and it is not getting off. But the ABS is working fine. It is working great. Like no issue with the ABS, but the issue is with the light. Like it is quite distracting for me. Then the second issue is this fuel gauge indicator. Like it is not showing any fuel in my bike, but around 7 to 8 liters of petrol is in my bike right now. So I have to get it fixed.
So the third thing is its tail lamp, like it is all gone, none of the LEDs are working. So I have installed a LED strip uh, at the back of my bike. So they are working fine. Like there is the brake and a normal parking light and the left and right indicator also. So everything is working fine.
So these are not any such big issues, but they are still in my bike. So I thought to share with you all guys. So hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Signing off.